Let's see in this exercise how to draw a triangle which we know of its three sides: side A, side B, and side C. The best way for solving this exercise is to draw any random triangle and to analyze the given data on it in order to be able to draw the one asked from that generic triangle. We can identify in this triangle here the data we are given: this side, and this side. However, the most important thing when drawing any triangle and polygon in general is to find its vertices, because once the vertices are found, we only have to join them to end the exercise. If we draw the side A, we will find vertices B and C, so we just have to find vertex A, and this vertex A can be found this distance we already know from vertex C, side B, and at the same time this distance we already know from vertex B, side C too. So it is about finding the point that is certain known distance from one point and at the same time certain also known distance from another point. If using point C as center, we draw an arc whose radius is side B, and using point B as center, we draw an arc whose radius is side C, the point where both arcs meet will be this distance B from point C and this distance C from point B, so we will have the necessary data to draw the triangle. Let us draw now the triangle using the data given. We are going to set side A of the triangle on a straight line. We mark a starting point which, looking at the analysis figure, is point B, and we copy the measurement of side A. We get then this point on the straight line, which is point C, being line segment BC, side A of the triangle. Now we only have to find vertex A, which we know is this distance B from point C and this distance C from point B. Since on the analysis figure side B starts at point C, we draw an arc whose radius is side B, using point C as center. Looking at the analysis figure, we see that side C starts at point B, so using this point B as center and radius the length of side C, we draw an arc that meets the former one at one point. The point where both arcs meet is already this distance B from point C and this distance C from point B. So this point here is the triangle's last vertex, vertex A. Once we have the three sides of the triangle, we only have to join them to draw the triangle. There is just one thing left, which is naming the remaining elements of the triangle, side B and side C. And we have solved the exercise, that is, a triangle which we know of its three sides. It is very important, once the exercise is done, to check that it answers to what was asked. That is, that the data given is in the solved exercise. In this case, the information given are the three sides of the triangle, and in the solution we can see that side A is as long as the data asked, and the same happens with sides B and C, that are in the solved exercise as long as the exercise requested.